preparing ang aming magka-graduation ball. Ito ang gown ni Isha. Sobrang elegant. They bring the anak. This one, yung ni-remove. You don't wanna put this? Okay. Oh, look. Look at her gown. So elegant. This is Risha's gown and her graduation ball. Graduation ball. This is the front. Oh, may tag pa, anak. I forgot to remove it. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. And then she said she's gonna wear sneakers kasi kahapon nanakit ang paa niya sa heels. Mag-sneakers daw siya. Okay, it's fine. Worth 1,000 gowns. $1,000 for one night. Nak, baka maging best in gown ka. Huh? Best in gown.
Walang ganon.
Nung high school kami may ganon kaya. Ako'y elegant.